Hello everyone, Chrissy here from Color Street with another video. This one is a little bit different, so I've been making my little sample packets today, and I wanted to go ahead and show you what I've come up with. I am fairly new in Color Street. I have been with them since the end of August, so only a few months right now, and I'm really trying to keep my out of pocket as low as possible. I have yet to buy actual like business cards yet. I'm really not so sure on my name yet. Just things like that. So, in order to give away the samples and have them kind of like all in a little pack together, I brainstormed and came up with this idea, and I thought I would share it with you guys and maybe it would help some of you guys out. If you've seen my other videos, I did one on how to do your parties easier, how to do text replacement to work smarter and not harder. And then I also did the Orca scan video for your inventory, which is absolutely amazing. I'll link those down below for you guys. My next video I plan on doing, I just recently, I just decided to start selling the children's books with UBAM as well. So just another little small thing that I wanted to do. And they introduced me to Vizly, and I think that Vizly is absolutely amazing, and I think it would work perfect for you guys um, to do parties because it is just insanely easy. So I'm going to do that video. If you guys want to see it, let me know in the comments below. I'll do a quick visual on how to use the the website and how easy it would make your parties be. So these are my sample packs, right? So it's basically just a piece of paper, okay? All right? So it's just a regular piece of paper. And what I did was I printed a little letter on there, a little bit about the product. I'll go ahead and read it to you guys. So this is what it looks like. I'll pull this one up. This is what it looks like here. So it's a little introduction here, just telling you, hey, this is why I love this product, such and such, blah, blah, blah. And then down below, I went ahead and printed in color. You don't have to do it in color if you don't want to, but I printed in color the instructions on how to apply it. Because when you get these little testers, if you're just going to kind of hand this to somebody, you need some kind of visual instructions for them because we want to make it super easy on them. And you don't really want to blab too much in person and kind of like go over everything and like overwhelm them. You just want to like, hey, here's my sample, here's my contact info, try it, you'll love it. Like feel confident, basically, throw it with them and then let them bring it home and do it on their own. But you want to have the instructions there so it's nice and visual and very easy for them to apply so they don't get frustrated. So this is what I have. I have, hey there, here's a free sample of my new nail strips I'm selling. I recently fell in love with these and I have saved a bunch of money by ditching the salon and doing my own nails. They're 100% nail polish and come 95% dry, so while applying, they'll give you maneuverability to replace and align if needed. I have some YouTube videos if you need. Let me know if you have any questions and what your thoughts are once you've given them a go. Aside from selling them, I also host parties, mainly virtual these days too. So there's your throw in case maybe they're open to doing a party. We can always do a virtual party and get you freebies depending on how much your party qualifies for. So right there, if they try it, they love it, and they're like, oh, I want some more, but I'd love it to be free, maybe they'll jump in for a party. Thank you so much for your time. And then my information with my website. And right now I've been actually just writing my cell phone number on there. I should have kind of included it in the printed copy. I'm not sure why I was hesitant on that, but I'm kind of just handwriting it in now. So I'll show you what I do is I take the piece of paper. What it ends up being is it ends up being this right here. Okay, so this is the piece of paper. It's folded up. Everything is in here and nothing is going to fall out at all. At first I started folding these like hearts, and I might go back to doing that. But I have to make sure that the cuticle pusher and the nail file are in there properly, and then I can just hand them the heart sample. So that is really fun if you want to mess with like origami. But for now, I'm just going to use the square. Like I said, nothing is going to fall out of here. Everything is in here for them. Their nail prep pad, their Tuesday, their nail file, and then their wooden cuticle pusher. That's what I'm giving them right now. So what I'm doing is I'm taking the piece of paper, and I'll show you. I'm just going to use my desk for right now. And I fold it like halfway up from the bottom, just like you would a letter, right? So I just take it and I just creased it and fold it here. And I'm going to do the same with the top, like I'm mailing a letter. So now that I've done this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one side. Of course, this one's going to come out crooked because I'm doing it on camera. I'm going to take one side and I am going to fold it maybe about, I'm really not good with measurements, let's just say a 2Z, 2 or a 3Z inside, like a 2.5 nail inwards, right? So I'm going to come in. And now basically what I've done is I've made kind of a pocket, right? So now we can actually open this little pocket right here. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to shove the 2Z inside because that's the one thing that I don't want to get bent more than anything. The nail file and the cuticle pusher aren't going to get bent, but the nail prep pad possibly could if you don't kind of push it down right. So I put that in first. It slides right to the bottom. I take the nail prep pad, I stick that in next. And then I take a wooden cuticle pusher. And then I take a little nail file. So now everything has slid down into the bottom of my little pocket, right? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start folding this out. I'm going to come in one time. Again, I think about like 2.5 in. So this is what it looks like now, right? Okay, it was 3 in. And now I'm going to come in and I'm going to actually, this part is open. I'm going to fold this and put this in here like that, right? And now I'm just going to press down on my sides. And that's it. And now it's a little pocket. Carry it, throw it with you in your purse, just easy. Everything is in there, just ready to pull out and hand to somebody. I could probably go online and buy the little Ziploc bags and put it in there. The only problem is I don't have like a tester card, and getting them that how to apply was necessary to me. Like I felt like they needed it. I felt like they needed it big and clear. So they could read it. I've taken this and I've shrunken it down and it just doesn't come out as well. So the one sheet of paper just works fine for me. If you want to print it in black and white, it's totally fine. All of the instructions are still going to be there and still be perfectly clear for them to read. They don't necessarily need the color. If you have the option, it's nice, but I really don't think it matters. So that's it. That's how I do it. And then again, if you just want to, if you want to write something on the outside, if you want to like, I mean, on this open side, nothing's really going to be open here, but if you want to stick like a little sticker or something, a matter of fact, I have some star stickers. I might go back and do that and just put like a little star sticker on the back. So that's it. That's how I'm doing my samples right now. I'm pretty excited. I'm just happy to have them with me. Sometimes I forget them in my purse and somebody does mention my nails and then I get so upset that I don't have them. So this is the best part of your business. You have to hand these out because people will fall in love with it once they try it. And again, this is pretty low, minimal cost for you to get these out and spread the word about your business. Happy nail polish stripping. Good night, guys.